Again, those sand dune bags. Wave breakers, storm breakers. ও মামা আপনি পিছনে আমি তো সামনে বুঝছি তাহলে এগুলো একটা রেস্টুরেন্টে খাওয়া দাওয়া করিনি হ্যাঁ তাহলে চলুন Hey guys, we are gonna have food in one of these restaurants, but still looking which one looks better or something. All are better, but like a looks point of view. No, but all the restaurants are super awesome. Decoration. Oh, it is there. It is a raindrop restaurant. Oh. Chon mama, খাওয়া দাওয়া করেনি সকাল থেকে কিছু খাইনি কেউই তো খায়নি মনে আপনারাও তো খান নাই খাইছেন Hey guys, we are gonna have food in Raindrop restaurant. It looks much like this one is the best one among all the restaurants, but all are good and it looks really busy as well. Hey guys, got ourselves a table. अरे ग्लास तो दे तेरे दे तेरे दे तेरे दे got this table. Now gonna order some food and see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, super random food wash. I'm gonna show you guys how to wash your feet in the middle of nowhere. Lifted basin. And then take the mug and wash your feet in a lifted basin. That will be fun. Hey guys, just ordered our food. I forgot to keep the menu, but as far as I can remember, we ordered a Bangladeshi dinner. It's white rice, white boiled rice, and then that prompat fish, or in Bengali chanda fish, rupchada fish, deep fried rupchada fish, and then loita fish, deep fried. But I don't know the English name of loita fish. And then coral fish curry, coral fish curry, and then dal probably. Yeah, and it's all the same price that we had back in Cox's Bazar, and here it's all same price. So yeah, so hopefully the taste is gonna be awesome and same as like in Cox's Bazar that we had. So now waiting for our food, and let's see when the food comes. I'll show you guys how it looks, and then I'll give you a review that how it tastes like as well. So see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, they are cooking our food. Let's have a look. That big kitchen, they are cooking our food in there. So hopefully it's gonna be yummy. So few more minutes maybe. Hey guys, the order is arrived, but not all of it, half of it. So now gonna have yummy food. Let's have some food finally. All the food has arrived: fried fish, vegetable, fried fish, coral fish, dal, salad. So yeah, finally let's go and let's have some food, and then see you guys after dinner. Hey guys, dinner is done. Everyone was super starving, so nothing survived in the table. Have a look. So nothing survived, only a bit of rice and dal survived or something, and a mixed vegetable. But anyways, from here now we are going back to our hotel, and I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys any street POV because it's pitch dark around here. No, not much of street lights are there, so let's see what happens. And after that, after getting to the hotel, probably we'll end the vlog. So let's see what happens. Hey guys, here is the bill, but I don't know if you guys can read it or not, but it's not much, only $29.40 or something. So it's super cheap, super tasty, and super delicious food. So I recommend you guys to come here and have food if you guys come to Teknaf Sea Beach. So I'm gonna pay the bill now, and then after that I'll see you guys in a bit. The cat is eating MYKK fish fry. Cat is eating all the bones from the fishes. Stroke the cat, and now going back to our hotel. They are making this pier kind of a path to the beach from this road, but it's not complete yet. it's pitch dark everywhere you look because there is no street light. So I don't know how much footage I'll be able to show you guys. When it will be complete, it will be an awesome place to see at night or also in the daytime. But probably now can, but it's not fully built yet. So see you guys at the hotel, and if I can, I'll make a street POV if there is enough light in the streets. So see you guys at the hotel. Hey guys, I didn't wear the mask all day because of the good air quality, but suddenly I started sneezing. That's why I wore the mask again, and then the sneezing stopped. Hopefully I didn't become COVID positive, but I got my third booster dose though, but still not wearing the mask wasn't a good idea, I think. So now I wore the mask and the sneezing stopped. So finger crossed I didn't got infected or anything. So let's go to the hotel and see you guys at the hotel. Parking পর্যন্ত আইডাই না side of the hotel. The hotel is above whole shopping complex, and that's where they are parking our scooter or auto or tuk-tuk. So yeah, the hotel is above a shopping complex, not only a shopping mall, like a big complex of shops and office or something, and above that one side of that complex is the hotel Alo Resorts Teknaf Upojela. So let's go, and we have to buy some water and Coca-Cola for the night, and then probably we'll have some chai, and after that let's see what happens. I also have to transfer the files from my phone to my hard drive because my phone storage got full. It's a 256 GB iPhone. Probably I have to buy a new iPhone, 512 GB or maybe 1 terabyte, because 256 is not enough for all the content that I make in my phone, including Apple Music, and loads of apps. So let's go. Big shopping complex. Oh, there is also this barbecue restaurant. I turned off my RGB light. There's this fountain. Bangladesh Coast Guard vehicle. आपने चा হবে चा कॉफी चा হবে अरे ना तो मामा चा তাহলে তিনটা চা হ্যাঁ মধু চা তাহলে দেন তিনটা চা Hey guys, finally found some tea, and they're saying that their tea is made from honey. They have honey tea, probably herbal tea, only milk tea mixed with honey. So let's have some chai. Hey guys, the tea is here. It's raw tea, but they have a slice of orange and milk and no milk and honey in there, so it's kind of like a herbal tea, so it's probably gonna taste good as well, but it's super hot. I'm waiting for it to be cool down. So when I taste it, I'll show you guys. Let's taste it. Super tasty. Oh, it's like a masala tea, like a ginger tea, and then there is also a slice of a not lemon, orange maybe, and then honey and tea, local tea bag, and then ginger and orange, and probably some other masala, I guess, but I don't know which masala. But I saw slices of ginger and a slice of orange and local tea bag. So yeah, it's super tasty. So I'm gonna enjoy the tea now and see you guys in a bit when I get to my hotel. Hey guys, done with the chai. I don't know how much it's gonna cost. Cha koto? Hey guys, it was only 60 taka. It was only 60 taka. It's like €6. No, 6, not 6 years. 60 cent euro. Less than $1, less than €1, not dollar. Yeah, it was less than €1, like 60 cents, euro, 60 cents. So anyways, it's super cheap. Local chai, masala honey tea. So you are now buying some drinks and water for the night. And tomorrow morning we'll leave this. We'll check out from this hotel, and after that, let's see what happens. The whole building is sponsored by Xiaomi, I guess. Big Xiaomi or Xiaomi banner, and the whole hotel is Xiaomi. Xiaomi is sponsored, I guess. Hey guys, now like hanging out on the shopping complex, the basement of the hotel, like hanging out in here. They have found some gnome people or something, and it's still almost 10 p.m. but everything is open in here. But in Dhaka city everything gets closed by 8 p.m. But it's almost 10 now, but everything is open. Shops and everything. Hey guys, going to buy a hand sanitizer because I'm feeling a bit cold, like I'm feeling like sneezing but not sneezing. So it's a bit scary because I took off my mask for loads of hours. That wasn't probably a good idea. Now going to a pharmacy. Hand sanitizer. No, pharmacy ko there? Pharmacy, oshudher dokan? Where is the pharmacy? I don't know. Hey guys, finally found some hand sanitizer. What call them? দুইটা আপনি বিকাশ দিয়ে দেওয়া যাবে তাহলে কি ক্যাশ শুধু আমার কাছে আছে বিকাশ ক্যাশ আউট তো দেয় এখন তো করলাম না কিন্তু হইব নাকি দেখতে পাবো Hey guys, got the hand sanitizers. Oh, tissue paper. এত বড় না এরকম বক্স হ্যাঁ জি এটা বসুন্ধরা এটা তো You guys got tissue paper, hand sanitizer, and now I think I don't need to buy a multi-plug. Buy multi-plug possible? ওই যে এটা দিলে হবে হ্যাঁ এগুলো ভালো মানে এই যে হোটেলে ইউজ করার জন্য ট্রাভেলিং করতে দিতে। এটা বড় বোতল কত হবে? হ্যাঁ আপনি বিকাশে দেওয়া যাবে এখানে? আপনার সেন্ড মানি করা যাবে? Hey guys, see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, thank you. Hey guys, got a multi-plug because this hotel doesn't have a lower plug point, and also tomorrow where I'm going there they don't have proper sockets. That's why I had to buy a multi-plug. Now going to a pharmacy to buy a paracetamol because I was sneezing and took off my mask, but I don't want to take any chances. I'm gonna have some paracetamol tonight, so let's go buy the paracetamol. Paracetamol Napa এইস নাকি জানি এটা না এইস নাকি জানি একটা আছে না এই করোনার জন্য। এটা করোনা হলে কি খায় এইস খান না মানে বলতেছি করোনার সময় ঠিক আছে এইস কোনটা এটাই তো নতুন না এর থেকে নতুন আছে নাকি? কই দেখি একদম লেটেস্টটা দেন এস এক্সট্রা নাকি?
যে আসলে ফলার জন্য ফটো কাজ ফটো এরিয়া লাগবে 20 টাকা দিবা চেক করা দরকার।
এই এক্সট্রাটাই কি সবচেয়ে নতুন ভাইয়া? এই এক্সট্রাটাই সবচেয়ে নতুন সবচেয়ে লেটেস্ট? কত দাম? আমার দিকে কত? 15 5 টাকা তো নেই, খালি আর একটু আমার কাছে আছে 5 টাকা। এই এক্সট্রা
সেকেন্ড বেস্ট মুখে পুলিশ ঠিক দেবে
ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ। So guys, everything is done. Now going back to our hotel. Let's go. Hey guys, back in our hotel. It was a long walk to the pharmacy and the grocery store to buy the hand sanitizer, multi-plug and paracetamol. Because I didn't want to take any chance because I was full on sneezing and Then my throat got itchy. That's why I rushed to the pharmacy to buy a paracetamol. Hopefully it didn't get infected. Alo resort. Alo resort. Alo is a Bengali word. It means light. So Alo resort means light resort. So let's go to my room. Super basic Bangladeshi local hotel. আমি গোসল করে নিচ্ছি। Hey guys, just got to my room and got freshened up and now doing my editing on the bed. So yeah, so this was it guys, today's vlog and vlogumentary both at the same time. Did the from Bazar to Teknaf Upazila, but one thing was sad that couldn't make it to the St. Martin Island. So apart from the cancellation of island hopping, everything is all good. Now tomorrow I'm going to Bandorban, from Teknaf to Bandorban. First I have to go to Cox's Bazar from Teknaf, and then from there I have to get the bus to Bandorban. So let's see if that happens or not. So yeah guys, it was a really like all day journey and everything, and now in my room in Teknaf, Alo Resort, nice place, nice room, all good place. So yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel, and definitely don't forget to share my videos when you guys watch it, and see you guys tomorrow